everyone, welcome to my channel Speak Smart. I hope you understand the previous lesson like on simple present and simple past. I hope आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. Now it's a time to learn a simple future tense and it is very easy. In simple future tense only we talk about the upcomings or coming actions. जो फ्यूचर में होने वाला है उस एक्शन के बारे में ही हम बात करते हैं, ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं जो अभी तक नहीं हुआ है और फ्यूचर में होने वाला है उसी को हम बोलते हैं सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. Now here is the type of sentences that we made. Affirmative sentence, subject plus will plus verb first form plus object. Negative sentence, subject plus will with not with verb first form and then object. Question form, replace the position of subject and verb. Negative, add the not word after my subject. Then interrogative type of sentence, here you can use a WH questions, and here is one very nice thing that will go with all subject, singular as well as plural subject you can use. Now here is the affirmative sentence, I will go to the beach, I will not go to the beach. Will I go to the beach? Yes I will. No I will not. Instead of will not you can use won't also. I won't. Now the negative question form, will I not go to the beach? And the interrogative type of sentence, who will go to the beach? Like that you can see the more examples. Here is the simple explanation of simple future tense. Here we go with the simple future tense. So here the will is used with simple future. So how we use will, as I already told ki that coming actions or upcoming actions events are considered as a simple future. Simple future can work with verb tense, and for the future like coming actions for happening things we use a simple future, right? So in that we can use will verb. Will verb is like you use when you decided right now something, right? I will call you tomorrow. Example is like that कि you decided just now. आपने अभी कुछ सोचा है और आप फिर बोल रहे हो उसको कि I will call you tomorrow. Be going to verb is like that decide before. It is a planned activity. You already decide and then you talk about. So this is our present that go to the future. And here ing form verb. So here we only use ing form for the decide before actions. I am giving a presentation on Monday like that, right? It is a planned activity. Not at all you decided just. So will is a simple future tense as well as it is used as a modal verb, but will can't comes with s form, ed form, ing form. It only takes verb first form. Here is the sentence formation, subject with will with verb base form, that is verb first form. Then here we will use the verb watch. So here we use will watch. I will watch, you will watch, he will watch, she will watch, we will watch, they will watch, the student will watch, the students will watch. Any subject you can use here with the verb. Okay, I will text you after class. This is the plan future you're talking about. He will walk his dog tomorrow morning. कल वो लेके जाएगा अपने कुत्ते को घुमाने के लिए. The students will go to school on Monday. बच्चे कब जाएंगे स्कूल? Monday जाएंगे. Right, but here is some contradictions also. आप देख सकते हैं contradiction किस तरह के हैं. So here we can use the short forms like will है. अगर हमें इसका हम इसको बोलते हैं I'll बोलते हैं. जैसे I will है तो हम इसको बोलते हैं ill. कोई pronoun का ही यूज होता है, nouns का यूज नहीं होता है. जैसे I'll watch, you'll watch, he'll watch, she'll watch, we will watch, they'll watch, the students will watch, the students will watch. Like that we are making. Okay, you will be busy next Monday. So it is a action that you decided. She will give a presentation in 2 weeks. So this is again a verb first form. They'll drive to work tomorrow. कल वो कार से जाएंगे काम पे. Now here it's a practice time for you. I hope you understand what I want to say in the simple future with will and also the contradictions also. Okay, now here is the example like he dash breakfast tomorrow morning. So it's a future, he will cook. So here we said he'll cook, he'll cook. Okay, now you can try we dash to school tomorrow. Go. He'll go to school tomorrow. The contradictions, the short forms we are using here. He'll go to school. Okay, instead of that you can also said we will go to school also. Okay, I dash you in 2 days. So I'll call you in 2 days. मैं आपको 2 दिनों में फोन करूंगा. Instead of that, you can say I'll call you in 2 days or I will call you in 2 days. Okay. Now here is the next example, like they dash on the weekend. Study. So they'll study on the weekend. As study is base form, so only base form we can use with the will verb. Here is the contradiction. They'll study on the weekend. Now she dash her dog after class. She'll walk her dog after class. So walk is verb first form, and here we can use the short form of will, that is ill. So she'll walk her dog after class. I hope you understand the concept of simple future tense, and also the other words which we are using, like going to be. So going to be is used for decided action, and will is used for the like future, for happening things. Okay, so here thank you for watching my channel. Thank you so much.